Lapopo, the brave and kind farm helper, woke up early. The sun was shining, the birds were singing, and the little chicks were already playing near the barn. Lapopo stretched his arms and said, "It's going to be a wonderful day." As Lapopo walked near the chicken coop, he heard a soft cry. It was a little chick named Lulu. Lapopo thought for a moment, then tied a long rope to a bucket. He carefully lowered it into the well. As Lapopo gave the basket back to Lulu, they heard a little crack. A tiny chick hatched right inside the basket. The animals gathered to celebrate. The cows mooed, the ducks quacked, and everyone danced.